things, but very slowly. So what's this week's thing, but very slowly? A slap in the face. Normally, this isn't recommended. Or very nice. But let's see it again. Very slowly. Seen at 4,000 frames per second, the slap seems to dislodge the Brainiac's face. When the cheek is struck, a shockwave travels through the skin's collagen, arriving at the opposite cheek almost instantaneously. Then, the skin vibrates as the elastic fibers wobble under the force of the blow. All this in 1/10 of a second. A slap in the face. One more thing, but very slowly.